Hello guys, come and join me in doing shawarma, smoked shawarma in my scratch way. Here I have paprika, mixed spices, coriander powder, and black pepper. Of course salt, lemon juice, and extra virgin olive oil. We will going to put all these spices, mentioned spices, into our cut up chicken all together with a little olive oil. And we will going to mix it. Now guys, in our hot pan, I will put our shawarma in. We will let this cook until it becomes dry. Here guys, I light up charcoal and put it in the middle of our dried shawarma. A little oil, just to have a smoky flavor. Covered it until it reaches a smoky flavor. Now guys, we are going to be in our assembly, shawarma assembly, smoked shawarma assembly. First, garlic sauce. Then, shawarma chicken, shawarma meat. And put french fries, about 3 pieces. And then we rolled it. We're going to put this in a hot pan just to make it a little brown. Now guys, this is our brown shawarma. You cut it into slant way. And I hope you will enjoy it. Here it is guys. Enjoy!